this is Rosemary Jade, and I'm answering a question on how you can get your student teachers added to your Google Meetings so they can co teach with you in this remote learning world. Well, you will just launch your Google Meeting from your Google Apps menu. Right there is Google Meet. And just remember that we want to launch our meetings using a nickname for our student safety and security. So I'm going to launch mine with my nickname. If I have a common first and last name, I might add something else on to the end, like my subject. But just come up with your common nickname, and I'd make it the same every time. Hit continue, and then as soon as you launch your meeting, I'm going to join it. You have this box pop up that has your meeting information and the option to add people to your meeting. So right here, I can just add our student teacher or someone from UC or Xavier. You will just need to input their email address. If you save them to your contacts, they'll pop right up. And then you click on send email. That user gets notified right away that your meeting is open. So I recommend that you launch your Google Meetings with student teachers included 5 or 10 minutes before you want to start your class time so that you can make sure that they are in there. If you miss that first box when it pops open, you can always go to the people icon, and right below there is add people. So it really is that easy to get your student teachers added. Just be on the lookout that you might get a notification saying that someone is trying to join. So that's why I recommend you get on there 5 or 10 minutes early to get your student teacher in. Need more resources? Well, in our CPS Tech Talk course in Schoology, our Learning Technologies team is here to help you. Inside of Tech Talk, there is a folder called Google Resources, and inside that folder, you can find all of the instructions on Google Meetings. Want more information? In our Office of Curriculum and Instruction, there is a folder called PD Recordings, and you can actually find the recording to our Google Meet training session. So you can go straight to the full session if you want. Want another resource? In our Cincinnati Public Schools resources, I have added a folder in the resources called For Teachers, Schoology Templates for Google Meetings and Other Resources. And you can actually pull this right over into your course. That will link you straight out to Google Meeting. Your students can input your unique nickname that you create, and then you can just go into that meeting, add that student teacher, and be co-teaching together. If you need more support, our Learning Technologies team is now assigned by school clusters. And so you can look at who is assigned to work with your school. Not sure which cluster you're in, just click on the link at the bottom and you'll open up a spreadsheet that gives you a list of schools. I work with the House cluster. Megan works with the Brown cluster. Kimberly works with Spencer, and Ashley works with Blaze. So just refer to this sheet. I even added a QR code so you can scan it right from your phone. And then you can reach out to one of us if you need support beyond the resources I shared with you today. So that's all you need to know to get your student teachers on your Google Meetings. Have a great day.